Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, Happy Cultivator, and I wanted to show you guys what BT will do. So for this installment of the Minute videos, I wanted to show you guys what pest management does and what Bacillus thuringiensis, better known as BT, by Southern Ag it goes under the name of Thericide, does to caterpillars. You see this little guy here? He was chomping on the lime tart. He got himself a belly full of Thericide, and if you look, you see how his stomach area is all discolored? That's the bacteria in there eating away at his stomach and his insides. And that little guy is toast. You will eat lime tart no more. So, with that, guys, go out and get yourself some BT, because caterpillars are everywhere. It's organic, it's simply a bacteria, and you can use it right up to harvest. With that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.